This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Toyota Yaris. First, always make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. If you have a traditional key, insert it fully into the ignition. Then, turn the key clockwise to the start position and hold it for just a second or two until the engine fires up. Once you hear the engine running, simply release the key and it will automatically return to the on position. When using a traditional key, there are three main positions to understand. The first is ACC, which powers accessories like your radio. Turning it further to on activates all the vehicle systems, including dashboard lights, but the engine remains off. Finally, start cranks the engine. Remember to release the key immediately after the engine starts, allowing it to spring back to the on position. For newer Toyota Yaris models with a smart key, starting is even simpler. Just ensure your smart key fob is inside the vehicle, perhaps in your pocket or bag. Confirm the car is in park or neutral, then firmly press down on the brake pedal. With your foot on the brake, press the start/stop button once, and your engine will come to life. It's a quick and convenient way to get going. If your Yaris isn't starting, don't worry, there are common reasons. Often, it's a dead or weak 12-volt battery, which might cause a clicking sound or no response. For push-button models, a low-key fob battery can prevent starting. Try holding the fob closer to the button. Always check your fuel level and ensure the car is securely in park or neutral. These simple checks can often resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.